In this video, we are going to multiply mixed numbers. Now, if you're multiplying mixed numbers, chances are you've already multiplied fractions. If you need a refresher on that, check the video to the right. So when I multiply mixed numbers, I need to have the numbers in a certain format. I need to have them in this format of A over B. So one number over another number. I don't want another number over here. I don't want a C over here, so to speak. So I just need one number on top, one number on the bottom. So to do that, I have to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So to do that, I'm going to take my whole number and multiply it by the denominator. So 2 times 5 is 10. I'm going to add the 3 to make 13. So I have 13 over 5 for this one. Again, I just keep my denominator. And the next one, I'm going to do 1 times 8 is 8, of course, plus 7 is 15. So I'm left with 15 over 8. So now I'm ready to multiply. Now keep in mind, 2 and 3/5 is the same exact thing as 13 over 5. It's just a different format. It's in this format of A over B. All right. Now, I could just multiply this straight across, but luckily in this case, I can cross simplify. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at the x's here. So I want you to look at the 5 and the 15 and the 13 and 8. Do the 13 and 8, do they share any common factors? So in other words, is there a number other than 1 that goes into 13 and 8? And there actually isn't. So I can't do anything with them. However, this 5 and 15, they share a common factor other than 1 of 5. So 5 goes into itself 1 time, and 5 goes into 15 3 times. So now, I've just simplified before I did the multiplication. Now, of course, multiplying 13 by 3 is a lot easier than multiplying it by 15. So let's do this. 13 times 3 gives me 39, and 1 times 8 is 8. So I have 39 over 8. Now, of course, I can flip that back into a mixed number by saying that 8 goes into 39, and it goes in there 4 times, and there's 7 left over. So the answer would be 4 and 7/8. Again, because I'm going to keep my denominator. Now, of course, if I just did this without simplifying, well, then I would just have to do 13 times 15, and then 5 times 8, and eventually I'd still get the same answer, but I just have a lot bigger numbers. So if you can cross simplify. If you can't, you just multiply straight across, and you flip it, you turn it back into a mixed number. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions or comments below.